Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to access Sora 2 worldwide. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and search for sora.chatgpt.com. Then you want to go through this page. Then you want to provide your date of birth. Then you want to hit the next. Then you want to add a username. For example, I'm going to name it Zane, for example. Then click on next. And here it tells you that Sora is not available. Now, what you can do is to simply go and use a VPN. Now, there are multiple VPNs that you can actually use. Some of them are free and some of them are paid. Let's say we have here VVPN. You can use NordVPN. So here you have NordVPN also. Then you want to open the VPN, add the extension to your browser. Then once you add the extension to your browser, you want to go to the same website that I have shown you and try to access Sora AI, but you need to make your VPN to United States. So you'll have to set your VPN to United States before you do these steps that I have shown you in the beginning of the video. So now I have here on the top right side, I have ZenMate VPN. I'm using it because it's free. And now I'm going to search for sora.chatgpt, just like so. Then I will go and search for this one. I'm going to click on this one right here. And here you have it. Sora is now available. You just have to sign up. You can sign up using Google account or Microsoft account, or you can continue with phone, and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.